Goog is trending after reports of a major cloud partnership with Meta, fueling optimism about Google Cloud's ability to compete more aggressively with AWS and Azure. Traders view the deal as a significant win that could drive recurring revenue growth and strengthen Google's foothold in the enterprise market. A judge ruled on Tuesday, the 2nd of September, that Alphabet's Google must share search data with competitors, but rejected prosecutors' bid to make the internet giant sell off its popular Chrome browser and Android operating system. Within the community, sentiment is broadly bullish, with many pointing out that despite Google's dominant position in AI and its expanding cloud business, the stock remains relatively undervalued compared to peers like Microsoft and Amazon. Some investors are positioning for a potential breakout to new all time highs, arguing that strong fundamentals and easing regulatory pressures could unlock the next leg of growth. Long term discussions are centered around the transformative potential of Google's AI innovations, from integrating generative AI into its core search and advertising businesses to building out enterprise AI solutions through Google Cloud. Bulls see these initiatives as key drivers that could reshape Google's revenue mix and reinforce its leadership across multiple industries, making GOGL a top pick among mega cap tech stocks.
Yeah, this has to be an all-time high, 229.75, printed not long ago. I don't think it has ever reached. This is its monthly chart. This is October 2010. Yeah, this is Google is trading at all-time highs at the moment. So this is the monthly chart. We have projections here. We have let's see what we have: 223.06, 246.92. Yeah, all those. This is it's at trading at all-time highs. Any fresh high you see here, it is an all-time high. Unless they're talking about the fact that on Monday the 20, okay, pullback. That's okay. So this is, yeah, this is indeed an all-time high. This is an all-time high. Yes, 229.75 all-time high. Yes. Okay, this is the weekly chart. Let's see what we have. 200, 223, 237. Yeah, and then extrapolation on this weekly chart is saying that it's going to contract. This expansion has been in place since the end of March, and I bet you this may have been in place all along. This extrapolation of a contraction may have been in place all along, but it may have been negated. So let's see what we have on the daily chart. Yeah, yes, on which there was this got a rejection on Friday, so they has blown through that, so it is an all-time high. So on this four on the daily chart as well, the extrapolation is saying that contraction will play out. No guarantee that that will take place. Okay, nothing is negative here. Everything is strongly bullish. What sort of projections do we have? 228.56, 222.62, 213 point something. Yeah, it's at 227. So 227 right now. Yeah, let's have a look at the 4 hour chart. Okay, yeah, consolidation as well is what's playing out here. 227, 224.64, 227.92 current levels. Yeah, okay. So price pressure momentum, everything's also bullish as well. Yeah. How active is this market? Not so active as such. Yeah. Okay, we could apply the market grid to see the trading range that is possible. Let's see what's going on with the trading range for market grid for Google. I bet, yeah, it is trading outside of that the market grid on this 4 hour chart. So expect it to expect the market grid to expand to accommodate it. Yeah, or maybe it may well pull back. Let's have a look at the daily chart and see. Okay, let's see what we have. Whether it has up to 227 here. No, it doesn't have. So it's we're trading that we're looking at new highs. So by the time the market opens, this it will be a bit stale. This market grid would have been left behind. Yeah, because the stock is now has expanded way outside of that grid. You can see 217 is the top of that grid, but it at the same time as well, it also indicates that maybe it's not totally useless. It may also indicate that it does indicate that maybe you should consider selling closing your position and waiting for it to come back into the grid. Yeah, but at the same time, it may well continue to print high prices. And even if it pulls back, it may not come back into the sort of range 217 to 208. It may not come back into this range. It may pull back, but still, you know, such that the grid will recalculate and accommodate it. Yeah. Okay. So that's what's going on at the moment. Have a look and see what you make of Google stock. This is the post market session. So this strength is it closed at 211.35. So this is in this post market session. Yeah. Okay. So have a look and see what you make of Google stock. And thank you very much for watching this video.